Blake Lively speaks out on pain of a retaliatory lawsuit as Justin Baldoni's $400 million countersuit dismissed in big win for Another Simple Favor star. Update. Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds' team are claiming total victory Monday after a federal judge tossed out Justin Baldoni's $400 million defamation and extortion suit over what went on during the making of It Ends With Us and the subsequent alleged preemptive astroturfing smear campaign against Lively last year. Out on the red carpet at the Tribeca Film Festival today, Lively made rare remarks herself online about the dismissal of Baldoni's case and the future of her own, like so many others. "I've felt the pain of a retaliatory lawsuit, including the manufactured shame that tries to break us," the actress and recent Time 100 honoree said on her Instagram story Monday. "While the suit against me was defeated, so many don't have the resources to fight back. I'm more resolved than ever to continue to stand for every woman's right to have a voice in protecting themselves, including their safety, their integrity, their dignity, and their story." While Judge Louis Lyman has permitted Baldoni, his Wayfarer Studios executives and PR team of Melissa, Nathan and Jennifer able to submitted another amended complaint by June 23 against Lively, his exhaustive 132-page order looks to leave little wiggle room for Baldoni. The Wayfarer parties have not alleged that Lively is responsible for any statements other than the statements in her CRD complaint, which are privileged, the judge said of the defamation claims by Team Baldoni, with reference to the sexual harassment and retaliation complaint Lively filed with California's Civil Rights Department against Baldoni, Nathan, Abel, billionaire Steve Sarowitz and CEO Jamie Heath in late December. The Wayfarer parties have alleged that Reynolds and Sloan made additional statements accusing Baldoni of sexual misconduct and that the Times made additional statements accusing the Wayfarer parties of engaging in a smear campaign, the judge, the brother of director Doug Liman, went on to say. But the Wayfarer parties have not alleged that Reynolds, Sloan, or the Times would have seriously doubted these statements were true based on the information available to them, as is required for them to be liable for defamation under applicable law. Telling, and perhaps going to the heart of the multi-million-dollar, multi-lawsuit fracas he once termed a feud between PR firms, Lyman also noted, even if they turn out to be unneeded, an employee can insist on protections at workplace for sexual harassment without being accused of extortion. If an employer exceeds, it cannot later claim to be a victim of the employee's wrongful threats. As a part of today's order, Judge Lyman kicked out Baldoni's separate $250 million suit against the NYT.